welcome to the channel. First project for the channel is this drift car. It's castle powered. It's got Futaba radio and receiver. It's really old NSX body. I'm gonna be switching over to XD60 because it had a really old and moldy Deans on it. Well, my friend just pulled this out of storage. Been in there I don't know how long. We're just gonna try and restore it, see if it's worth anything, and take it out and maybe do some tandem drifting with the other car. Tires are really old, really bad, out of shape, cracking. Thinking I'm gonna undo that and relocate the receiver somewhere else, maybe on top of the steering servo. Let's get along and see what we're doing. All right, so I think we're gonna start off by connecting the battery connector. So I think this thing is pretty cool. It is really old, and I don't know, we'll see. My buddy was saying that he thinks it does like 60 miles an hour. I'm not sure about that. We'll find out. I don't even know if this is 2S or if it's 3S or what. I'm assuming it's 2S, so we'll just stick the 2S battery I have on here. This one is pushed out a little bit and I'm not sure how. Let's see if we can pull it back in. Okay, there's that. Wiring is, I don't know, it's long, but it's short. The antenna is super short, and thinking about taking it out of here and just either kind of running it right on the backside here, or I'm not sure yet. I might just switch it out with an old Traxxas system, but let's just see. While we're heating up the hot glue gun, let's get this cleaned off. I would take it apart and clean it all up, but I don't know what I'm gonna do with it yet. I'm just gonna clean it, put it kind of back together, and see if it even works, because I'm not even sure if it works. Take our isopropyl alcohol, clean that off all nice. And I'm gonna have to mount this on and off switch. Double size sticky tape off of where. So I'm not sure about this receiver. Yes, it is an old 3-channel Futaba. This thing is, it's got 10 model memory. It's got servo reverse, endpoint adjustment, anti-skid brake. Maybe I'll just run new receiver, something like that. Come out right here, put the straw in here and just kind of cut it to pretty short, maybe just above fan. During that last clip, it cut out somewhere. Okay, you know what? We're just gonna try to do it and see what happens. Probably do this in the garage just in case something catches fire. All right, folks. So I had to go and resolder a new connection on it. Let's see what it does. Okay, we got 3-wheel drive. Got, oh, it's in reverse. I'm gonna switch this. Model number 1, reverse, normal. And channel 1 is the ESC, so that's fine. Channel 2 is the switch, reverse, okay. Okay, so we got 3-wheel drive. Oh, we're missing an axle. See what we got. Man, it is freezing outside, guys. An axle. Okay, there it is. That's it. Well, there you have it. It runs, not very well. It got to do a little bit more gluing up of stuff, tightening of wires. I don't know. We'll see about the rims and tires, see if I can run on 3S. Maybe that will make it faster. I just gotta mess around with it. And for now though, it runs. That's all for this time, and hopefully I'll see you guys next time.